All right, so I've got the engine set in here just to mock it up and see. And basically that mount's got to be as far forward as it can be, and the engine lines up. I crawled into the back end, looked from the differential towards the engine, and it's ever so cocked this way. But if I can get it to swing that way to the limits of where that mount is, then it's straight. So I think it's time to pull those mounts back out and weld the nuts on them. But I'm pretty happy with how the bolts go in the mounts. So I don't know if that's straight or not. And I don't know if a new pair of motor mounts make a difference. I'm kind of worried that it would. We'll just have to go through what we got and see. The more I'm looking at these, the more I want to wait till I get some new motor mounts in, because these centers are really loose in these. And that may be what's getting me the room to attach the engine. And also the bolts I had didn't go all the way through to the backside. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to get some new engine mounts, and then I'll weld these in for reals. So today I think I'm just going to work on welding in the other door jamb. So I was trying to open the door all the way to get to that panel to weld on it, and the door's not open all the way because it's sitting out here on the outside. So yeah, that's something to take care of in the future. Not today. I'm out of gas. Well, that's it for welding today. I'm out of gas. Maybe I'll get lucky. This will just clean up the grinder. Something I like. If I don't see any holes, I'm going to roll with it. And there's a hole right there. So close.